And welcome back. So we are now currently at the moon stand here, looking at some of the meteorites. I have with me Dr. James Mortimer, and he's going to briefly tell us a little bit about some of these rocks and how they relate to the moon. James?
So here we've got a range of different samples that really illustrate the different sorts of meteorite we get from different parts of the inside of a planetary body. So here we have some solid metal iron meteorites that come from the core of a planetary body, and then we morph into these sort of palisite mixtures of solid metal and minerals.
Wow, that looks really cool. Are these minerals here, and then is that the metal around the outside?
This is a cut piece, so you can see the polished metal and then the minerals running through it as well. And then obviously on the outside of a planetary body you have the sort of rocks, some of which we find here on Earth, like this basalt, and we find some of the same sorts of rocks on the surface of the moon as well. So if I show you this disc here, these are real Apollo samples from the moon, and here we have a piece of lunar basalt formed in the same way as on the Earth, when material erupts onto the surface of the moon and cools and solidifies.
So I'm going to ask the question that I'm sure everyone on Facebook Live and Stadium has. Can we hold a piece of the moon rock here tonight at the OU Moon Night? And or do we have anything else cool and wonderful to hold? Oh,
I definitely think these are the coolest samples that we have, purely because these are real pieces of the moon, and this is as close to it as you can get to touching the real moon without being inside a big spacesuit inside a lab.
Okay, thank you very much, Dr. James Mortimer. And what do you think?